Now let's look at how to use the comments tool. So you want to analyze the comments of a given video. So I'm just going to go over to the videos tool here, and let's go ahead and find a video that has a bunch of comments. This one has 4,800 comments. So let's double click that, right click videos, and we'll send selected video to comments tool. So now it puts the video up here. And so the way I've done this tool is you have to first click the button to load the video into the integrated web browser. Now sometimes when you load the video might start playing. It's kind of annoying, so you'd want to stop it. In this particular case, it didn't. And so the only way you can actually extract comments from YouTube without using the API is to get it from the browser. So as you know, when you go to a video, you can come in here and you can scroll and get the comments. But I want to show you how to automate that a little bit. So first you click, number one, you click the load video, puts it into the integrated web browser. And now I want to select the number of page scrolls, how many times you want to scroll down. Let's just do 10. And so now if you click this, it'll automatically scroll in the browser for you and extract. So once it gets to 5 page scrolls, it's going to extract the comments and then continue until it gets to the 10 page scrolls, and now it's extracting the comments. And we got 180 comments here. So let's take a look at the data. We've got the commenter, the channel, the when it was posted, how many likes, the replies, if this comment has a question, and whether it has profanity. Now I do want to say in advance, this video does show profanity, as you can see down here. I apologize, but this is something that customers really wanted to know, whether or not comments have profanity in them. If you can also control the profanity list if you'd like. You can right click and you can go to where is it now? The comments tool, and you can go profanity list. And in the profanity list, you can update the words if you'd like, and you can put it in there. If you don't like seeing this column, you can always just do that to hide it, right? But it is important to know, you know, the content, whether or not it has profanity for your marketing use. You may want to, if you're analyzing your own video and you want to quickly see, you know, who's swearing in your comments, you can go in and remove it or something like that. Or, you know, another good thing is, say you're promoting a product or someone is promoting a related e-commerce product or something like that, or any product, doesn't have to be e-commerce. And maybe you want to go in and see at the profanity, see how angry people are, and look at why people are angry. And then you can pinpoint details. For example, like, oh, this software totally sucks. I don't like it because it crashes all the time. Something like that, right? Then be like, oh, this software is crashing. Well, why is it crashing? Maybe I shouldn't promote this product as an affiliate or something. But it just gives you an additional insight. I've seen this data being extracted by other similar kind of tools online, so I thought I'd put it into the software. So now you have a quick way of analyzing the comments. Now, we can take this one step further here. Let's clear this out. One thing you can do is, I added a couple of very handy tools down here. If you go up to the top and go down to where the comments start, let's see where they start. Here they are. You do have sorting abilities here. So I can sort by the top comments or by the latest comments. So if I go by the latest comments, I want to see what the latest things people are saying. So I can do that, and then I can do some auto scrolling. If I click start auto scroll, it'll keep track of how many. So I'll just scroll, let's just say 5 for now, like that. Now I can go extract comments, and now it's going to do its thing here, and it's got all the comments now. I got 140 of them, but these are the latest comments. You see this one got the most likes, this particular comment. So now you can investigate, you know, why that got a lot of comments. Now another thing you can do, which is awesome, is you can analyze these comments. So let's say if we select all the comments, and we can click analyze down here, or you can right click and select analyze keywords and comments. This brings up this tool here. We can see the word combination, and now we can see the time, the number of words that occurred in those comments, the percentage, the average likes per word, and the number of words. So we can actually, excuse me, we can analyze multiple word combinations. So if we just go clear, we can go say 3 word combinations, and it finds the 3 word combinations, and you can see the times they occurred, and it gives you a value. So we didn't analyze a lot of comments, so we don't have a lot of data here, but we got an idea of which words are getting more likes per word combination. So now you can put a value to these comments and start to uncover things. Like, this is really useful for uncovering like problems with products, or like things that are good about products. So if you're doing research for products, you go into this tool, extract thousands of comments, and then come in here. Imagine instantly seeing the popular 3-word combinations through, say, 2,000 comments on a video. That can give you an incredible amount of insight into a product. For example, you can quickly see what people hate about the product and what people love about a product. And then you can apply those things to your own marketing in such a way. Say, for example, you want to create a product that's similar. We'll find out what's wrong with other people's competitors' products and fix them in your product. And then you'll get better results from your competitors. It's a very powerful tool. A lot of people do this in other sorts of areas of marketing. And I decided to do this within the comments because comments are invaluable. People are giving you free data, basically. This is what's wrong with what's going on here. This is what's good about your product. Take advantage of that information. Now, let's do the analyze again. I want to show you even further. You can take this even further. This is so cool. Let's say you select one of these for here. I want to see, okay, this says I love you, but I'd like to see like what comments that came from. So if you select here and select view comments, it will show you the exact comments where that word combination existed. How powerful is that? So now you can see, okay, like if this particular word combination sparked some sort of idea, I was like, okay, well, how did that person say that word combination? Now you can go and view them exactly in here. That's really powerful. Okay, I just paused the video there and I went and I did the sorting at the top here for the top comments, and then I did an auto scroll for 50 pages, 50 auto scrolls, and extracted the comments, and I got 918 comments. So what I'm going to do first is you can actually save your data. It's a good idea to save data so you don't lose it. So I'm going to save the comments. And now we can go ahead and we can select all, and I want to analyze. Now let's take a look, like say, let's look at like 3-word combinations, usually good. And we could see the ones that got the most average likes. I want to look at ones that occurred more than, say, 9 times. So from the glass, so what does that mean? So let's click that and let's view the comments. And we could see here, just freaking drink the glass. Okay, you can drink water from the glass. Anyhow, this is not really a good example for how you can apply it to marketing, but I just want to show you and highlight the power of being able to look at the exact comments that contain that word combination. So really, really cool. Doesn't matter what you do, you can see where it's coming from. So you can also, oh, and in here as well, you also have stop words. So I totally forgot to mention that. So stop words are words that you don't really want to analyze, like and about, above, after, again. I mean, you don't have to use them. You can just unselect if you don't want to, or you can add more words or remove words, whatever you want. Let's go with, say, 5-word combinations, and you go over here and hit generate word stats. This one occurred 5 times. So it seems to be some recurring thing about drinking out of a glass. So anyhow, I didn't even look at the actual video. I have no idea what it's about. Let me take a look. Back to school, DIY hacks, and organization. All right, well, something about the drinking out of a glass. It looks like she's drinking out of a bag. Anyhow, I just wanted to illustrate just how awesome this is. And you can save this data too here in the Analyzer tool, the Analyze Comments tool. You can also, as we shown here, we can save data out from the Comments tool to a data file or comma separated or text file. And you also access to all the different filters you'd like to use, just like normal. And the filters are down here as well. You do the custom filters. So that's basically it for this particular video and how to extract and analyze comments from any YouTube video.